Uncle rescued a little bird from drowning. Seeing how pitiful it was, he decided to take it in, care for it at home, and nurse it back to health. After recovery, the bird kept chirping, so Uncle brought some meat to feed it. When Uncle tried to release the bird, it refused to leave. So, Uncle continued to keep it, and they developed a friendly bond. The bird even danced on Uncle's hand. Uncle didn't expect the rescued bird to become so dear, almost like one he raised himself. It was very well behaved, and to his surprise, it eventually brought its family along. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.